Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to add text in CapCut. This is an updated tutorial because of the new update. It's been going because CapCut has been updated. So in this video I'll show you how you can add text. This is a very easy tutorial. Now without wasting, I don't want to waste your time, so now let's go to tab on project, new project, and now select a video that you want to edit and add text on. I'll go with this one is too small. Okay, so now if you want to add text, if you have selected the video, you see this highlighted the video, please do not unhighlight the video, like deselect the video, because if you want to deselect the video, and you want to deselect the video, tap anywhere but outside of the video that we just selected, and then here you will see. And now guys, here we have, after you deselected the video, if you selected the video by mistake, here we have text. So please now tab on text, and here we have add text. Add text, please tab on add text, and now as you can see, we can type text. You can write how to browser, and now you can change the font. There's a lot of fonts for absolutely completely for free. And now go to style, and here in style we can select different fonts, and now you select it. Here we go in stroke and increase the stroke a little bit. And let me show you a little bit trick so you can make this video in landscape mode. Tab on this button right here to leave the editing text part, and now let's go to format, and let's select this 6:9. So here we can see better. Now let's go scroll left, and here we have text. We can edit the text right now. And here in text you can also add effects, pretty good effects. Okay, pretty good, right? And we have bubble as well. There's one as you can see, we have also animations, of course, in and out, in and then out. Okay, and we also have loop. So that's gonna do it, guys. That's the things that you need to know when you add text in CapCut. I hope this video provides you with value. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos.